Hey guys, this is a pocket speech talking flashcards for the Montessori Speech Buddy. Is a early learning speech buddy flashcards for toddlers. Audible educational device, speech therapy material, development toys for the toddlers. So you can see comes in nice box, and this is the main reader. Or so it's on and off button. Here you can charge it as well. So it's a nice quality one, as you can see it here. These are the cards that comes with it. So A and B pocket, the manual, straightforward design, and the use, charging cable with a USB. So it's a micro USB charging cable that you can use. So these are the different card set. So say it's a milk card, so you just put in here, so it will say this is pretty nice and handy. All different cards here with the sound quality, good for the kids to read those and learn those spellings. So kids can do by themselves. Let me give it to a kid and then understand. I'm just showing you the different card set first so that I just describe everything. So you can see all the different types of color cards and the categories, the food, the stuff like the sun, fireman, rainbow, apple, cat. All those different words are here, almost at 512, the 510, and then it's just come with it. All these different type of cards are really helpful for the kids to learn all the spellings and the words, and they can do it by themselves. So here I just gave it to my kid, and he's trying by on his own. So you can see like it's a good for them to learn all the different words. It's a fun learning. It's a fun learning for the kids as well, and then they will like to play. It's very handy in their hand.
Soft.
And they can use that easily as well.